Panasonic's PAN1326C2 Bluetooth RF module is a fully certified Bluetooth 4.2 HCI module with best-in-class RF performance and a small footprint. The PAN1326C2 is based on TI CC2564C and includes all necessary RF circuitry to simplify design work. The modules offer transmit power up to 8 dBm, negative 90 dBm receiver sensitivity, and excellent blocking, permitting operation at roughly twice the range of competing Bluetooth low-energy devices. The PAN1326C2 measures just 9 by 9.5 by 1.8 millimeters, but is still easy to design in with as few as 2 PCB layers and a 1.3 millimeter pad pitch. The module is also 100% pin compatible with previous generation TI-based Bluetooth HCI modules for easy upgrades to existing designs.